Welcome to my channel. It's Erika, Elle. Thanks so much for being here. So today in this video, I'd like to show you a couple summer looks. Here where I live, it's starting to feel like summer is just around the corner. And that gets me excited thinking about the different things that I can wear to express myself and how I may wear pantyhose differently in the summer versus spring, winter, fall. So right now I'm wearing this look as sort of a summer daytime look. These are Femme Elle little snakeskin gold stiletto pumps. I'm wearing K pantyhose in a really light pink. I chose these because they're really light for the daytime in the summer, and they just give off like this really sweet kind of ballerina-esque vibe. I would wear an outfit like this to maybe like a lunch or a little event, probably something a little on the fancier side because of the heel. Probably not going to be doing a lot of walking in these either. So could be like a little birthday gathering or something like that. And then this is just a little baby blue floral dress. It's kind of giving like Baby Spice vibes, which was a really big influence in my life anyway. So yeah, I feel like this would be a really nice daytime look with these pantyhose. I love them. They're really comfortable. And yeah, so this is look one, daytime. So now I'm going to put on these K pantyhose dipped to show you how I would transition this into a nighttime look. And honestly, like depending on the time of year, I could be layering pantyhose. Where I live, it can be kind of cold still at the beginning of summer, or actually just summer nights in general. So I'm going to show you this as a layered look. So these K pantyhose have some reinforcement around the waist and around the butt area. This top section is a lot more translucent, and the bottom is a lot thicker, so like a higher den. There's not like specific reinforcement in the foot, but the whole part from the black aspect down is thicker, so it does feel reinforced. They feel like pretty solid pantyhose to be wearing, and that they'll keep me a little extra warm on a summer night. So I think it's a really nice way to be able to showcase like daytime, nighttime looks, or it's an easy way to showcase like two different pantyhose for you guys. But let me know if you have any other ideas about like showcasing two different looks in one video. And I'm super open to your ideas. As you know, I'm kind of still new on, or actually I am new on this channel, and so I would love to hear from you guys so that we can create fun content together. I am the kind of person that loves to wear like thigh-high socks and like high boots, and so I love already that these pantyhose are giving that sort of look with just being pantyhose. And already I can feel it's a lot more warm, so that I would be able to be out at night and be toasty. And I'm gonna show you this with a Jeffrey Campbell little leather bootie. And now it's like a little spicy nighttime evening number. I love the look of these green pantyhose that are dipped. That's such a cute name as well. These might just be my new faves. And yeah, I feel like it's a lot warmer, and especially with the light pink pair underneath. I feel like I could walk around for a while, go on a little like cocktail tour or something outdoors in the summertime. It'd be totally fine. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, which look you like better, what kind of content you might want to see, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.